On today's adventure, we're checking out a classic beer. Unlike the last beer review, that beer is gone. It's dead. Dead guy ale, bye-bye. Today, we are checking out New Belgium. Fat Tire, classic recipe, amber ale. Look at that classic logo on there with the old bicycle. Oh, I'm in heaven. Came in a 12-pack. Other two are a wheat beer and lager pilsner lager, something like that. Just classic beers that they haven't had in a while. So I'm very excited to try all of them. But we are definitely here for the Fat Tire. Let's get into it, shall we? Pour it up. That's the color oh, are you kidding me? You're kidding me? Oh, there it is. There it is. The old classic Fat Tire. Oh, the effervescence in there. Oh, it's a lava lamp. That is amazing. Look at that head. This is so perfect. Oh my gosh. 1.5 two-finger head. Great honeycomb color. That classic American amber. Let's check out the aroma. That's heaven right there. Oh, that is great. And I'm getting attacked by a bug. Joys of being outside. It's a beautiful day. Happy Mother's Day, by the way, to all you mamas out there. Happy Mother's Day. It's Mother's Day today. I'm about to go see my mom, do some yard work for her. That's her Mother's Day gift. I'm going to go do yard work. I have ribs thawed out, ready to go. We're going to cook up some ribs and have some drinks on the patio of her house. But yeah, cheers. Take a sip. We're back, baby. New Belgium. It says limited time. Please bring this back. Please. Please bring this back full time. The golden ale is not a fat tire. It's a flat tire. It's awful. This is where it's at. Just getting that little bit of a sweetness. Getting that maltiness. It's just smooth, refreshing, and yes, Alex, it is creamy. Cheers. Oh my gosh. Absolutely missed this beer. Absolutely missed it. One of you guys out there, thank you so much, notified me on an old video that, hey, it's back. I was like, what? It's back? He's like, yeah, it's back. So, went to 222 yesterday, watched the Avalanche get absolute curb stomped. That's how I'm going to put it. 5-1 loss. Sometimes you need that, though. Went to 222 because they had a deal. 2 beers and a beautiful scarf that you guys will see on the Chatio channel in the background now for $22. I'm like, you can't beat that. Great deal. Awesomeness. And I was like, okay, I'm going to go up there, have the 2 beers, take the scarf, go home, maybe hit the liquor store next to 222, which I did, and thank God they had this. But yeah, this is fantastic. Not really here to do a full beer review. I'm just here to just go, man, it's nostalgic. This is absolute heaven in a glass. Fat Tire is one of the first craft beer I ever drank. It was Fat Tire and Breckenridge Brewery Avalanche, both amber ales. Amber ales were what introduced me to craft beer, and now I drink it all, except for the IPAs. You guys can have them. I don't want them. But yeah, this is just pure magic. It's bliss. It's amazing. It's perfect. They released these 3 beers at the perfect time to celebrate their 35th anniversary, 1991 to 2026. I can't believe New Belgium's been around that long. I believe they are now Colorado's oldest craft brewery. You guys will correct me. They're up there because I think Boulder Beer Company, I think they're gone. Maybe Wine Coop. I think Wine Coop downtown Denver is the oldest. I think that started in the 70s. Oh, mama. But yeah, So this is amazing. I'm just yakking, I'm chacking, but man, look at that lacing. Oh my god. This is just, this is what it's all about. I highly recommend this beer. I'm not going to score it. I've already reviewed it. The OG of this, but this is way up there. You see that 12 pack, or even if they may sell this in a 6-pack, get it. But better off, get that 12 pack. More beer and more variety and other beers to try from the classic days of New Belgium. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Cheers.